Hi guys. Okay, so today I'm going to be doing a video explaining to you the nitrogen cycle because so many people tell me that they get fish and then 2 weeks later their fish dies and they don't know why. So I'm going to be talking to you about the nitrogen cycle, which is the most important thing you need to know about fish keeping. So yeah, here goes. So nitrogen cycle. So when you first get your fish, it's important that your tank goes through the nitrogen cycle at least once before you put actual fish in there, and I'll explain to you just why. So when you have fish, okay, here bubbles. When you have fish, what happens is they eat food, right? So yummy. They eat food. And then what happens is they poop out the food. Now this food turns into what we call, sorry, I can't write, ammonia. And I think ammonia is written like this, NH3. Okay, so the poop creates ammonia in the water, and then in turn the ammonia turns into nitrites. Okay, so ites is the key word here because we have nitrites and we have nitrates, so try to remember that, nitrites. Now the reason why it's important to have established proper bacteria at the bottom of your tank here or anywhere in your filter, on the glass, you need a colony of good bacteria in your tank before putting your fish in there, because this bacteria actually, here, let me just draw it like a Pac-Man guy. So this bacteria eats up the ammonia and the nitrates. So that's how it gets rid of the ammonia and nitrate levels in your water. If these levels are too high, your fish is going to die of toxic water. And that's what happens all the time because no one has established good bacteria in their tank. They sell this good bacteria in like a bottle. It's like this high, and it's just called beneficial bacteria for your aquarium. So what happens is now this Pac-Man guy eats all the ammonia and the nitrates. But then what happens with this guy is he also poops or converts the nitrites and ammonia, nitrates and ammonia, but he converts this into nitrates, okay, which is like a bit less dangerous for your fish. So when your nitrate levels start to go up, that's when it's time to do your water change, okay? So hopefully your fish doesn't die this time. You need to buy that beneficial bacteria before putting your fish in, and you need to let that cycle. And now a way to test your water is you can buy these test kits. Now this morning I just tested my water for ammonia. So this was my reading for ammonia, and this is a good reading for ammonia. Okay, so that means these levels are low, which is good, right? So the ammonia, if the level is really, really high, it'll turn like a green, like a dark green color, and you don't want that. So I know my ammonia levels are good because it came out this color. And I also tested my water for nitrites. So the nitrites, if you get a bad reading, this will turn like a dark purpley color, and you don't want that. Now I would go ahead and test my nitrate level, but since nitrates only go up after eating all this, then, and I know that this is good, like my nitrates should be good, so I'm not really gonna go ahead and test that. But yeah, basically that is how you do it for a freshwater tank. If you have salt water, you don't want any nitrates at all. So yeah, good luck guys.